Hello everyone, hope you are doing well, and today I'm going to tell you that how we can check the relationship or the association between the two variables. So here I would like to show you a case. You can see here that here is a case which says that below is the life expectancy for an individual born in the US and certain years, and here is the birth year of the individuals, and here is the life expectancy. So what we need to do, we need to do the two tasks. The one is decide which variable should be the independent variable and which should be the dependent variable, and the second one is check the relationship between the birth year or life expectancy. So first of all, you need to know that whenever we check a relationship between the two variables, there is no independent and no dependent variable, because independent variable is the variable whose effect we can check on the dependent variable. So in correlation case, both the variables are at same place, so we can say that either there is a relationship between the birth year and life expectancy, or either life expectancies and birth years. So now I will tell you that how can we compute this and check the relationship by using SPSS. So here first of all we can calculate copy this. Yes, so here we can copy the birth year, and here is the SPSS. We can go to the variable view, and the variable name is what? So variable name is birth, no space would be added here, birth year, and the second variable is life expectancy. Okay, so here we can here are the numbers, and we can give them the label as same like birth year and life expectancy. So here are the values. No need to add the values because we can do it as randomly. So here we can come to the birth year and life expectancy. So birth years are 1930, 1950, 1982, 1930, 1930, okay, 1950. We can place it randomly, okay, 1930, 1950, 82, 92, and 2010. 82, 92, and 2010. Same as we life expectancies are here. We can see that what is the life expectancy. So 59.7, 70.2. As let's check it and copy it from here, and then paste it under the category of life expectancy. So here are the life expectancies. Now what would be the next step? In order to check the relationship, we will go to the analyze, and we will run a test correlation. Whenever we want to check the relationship or the association, we need to check the correlation. So here is the correlate, and we will do it as bivariate, and now these shift these in this box and go to the options. Okay, mean and standard deviations, if you want then you can add, okay, and okay, so here are the settings, and we want Pearson's correlation, so okay, and here are the descriptive statistics. You can see here. So okay, so this is the table for running the correlation, and this is the output. You can see here these are the mean values for birth year and life expectancies, and this is the standard deviation, and Pearson's correlation is 1 on 1, and you can say 1, and the significant total value is 0.013, and here is the value 0.013. So whenever we analyze this table, we usually write it as, let me tell you that how can we interpret the table. So here is the table for the correlation, and we can go here, we will insert the table, and while keep it in mind, the actual p value is 0.05. so the p value is 0.05. so whenever the p value will be greater than the 0.05, then we can say that we are failed to reject the null hypothesis, and whenever the p value will be less than 0.05, we can say that we reject the null hypothesis. For example, we have made the hypothesis H naught. Okay, hypothesis is there is no significant relationship between birth year and life expectancy. Okay, so this was the hypothesis. So if we see this table and this value, which is significant two-tailed value or a p value, it can tell us that we can interpret the results like, as mentioned in the above table, significant two-tailed value is 0.013, which is less than 0.05. thus we reject the null hypothesis. Or furthermore, we can also say that because the p value is less than the actual p value 0.05, thus we can say that there is a significant correlation between the birth year and the life expectancy. So it is all about the correlation and the interpretation of the correlation table. Hope you will like it and it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.